Hello everyone, this is Kashifa Rahman, student of class 9th, standing here to read aloud the chapter number 4, Linear Equations in Two Variables. So, chapter 4, Linear Equations in Two Variables. The principal use of the analytic art is to bring mathematical problems to equations and to exhibit those equations in the most simple terms that can be. Edmund Halley. 4.1 Introduction. In earlier classes, you have studied linear equations in one variable. Can you write down a linear equation in one variable? You may say that x plus 1 is equals to 0, x plus under root 2 is equals to 0, and under root 2y plus under root 3 is equals to 0. Are examples of linear equations in one variable. You also know that such equations have a unique, that is one and only one, solution. You may also remember how to represent the solution on a number line. In this chapter, the knowledge of linear equations in one variable shall be recalled and extended to that of two variables. You will be considering equations like does a linear equation in two variables have a solution? If yes, is it unique? What does the solution look like on the Cartesian plane? You shall also use the concepts you studied in chapter 3 to answer these questions. 4.2 Linear equations. Let us first recall what you have studied so far. Consider the following equations. 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Its solution. That is the root of the equation. Is minus 5 by 2. This can be represented on the number line as shown below. Figure 4.1. While solving an equation, you must always keep the following points in mind. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when first, the same number is added to or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. Second, you multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Let us now consider the following situation. In one day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka, played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Express this information in the form of an equation. Here, you can see that the score of neither of them is known. That is, there are two unknown quantities. Let us use x and y to denote them. So, the number of runs scored by one of the batsmen is x. And the number of runs scored by the other is y. We know that x plus y is equals to 176. Which is the required equation. This is an example of a linear equation in two variables. It is customary to denote the variable in such equations by x and y, but other letters may also be used. Some examples of linear equations in two variables are 1.2s plus 3t is equals to 5. P plus 4q is equals to 7. Pi u plus 5v is equals to 9. And 3 is equals to under root 2x minus 7y. Note that you can put these equations in the form 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 is equals to 0. P plus 4q minus 7 is equals to 0. Pi u plus 5v minus 9 is equals to 0. And under root 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equals to 0. Respectively. So, an equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, and a and b are not both zero, is called a linear equation in two variables. This means that you can think of many such equations. 4.3 Solution of a linear equation. You have seen that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. What can you say about the solution of a linear equation involving two variables? As there are two variables in the equation, a solution means a pair of values, one for x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation. Let us consider the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. Here, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 is a solution. Because when you substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 in the equation above, you find that 2x plus 3y is equals to under bracket 2 into 3 plus under bracket 3 into 2 is equals to 12. This solution is written as
This solution is written as
an ordered pair. 3, 2.
3, 2.
First writing the value for x
First writing the value for x
and then
and then
the value for y.
the value for y.
Similarly, 0, 4 is also a solution for
0, 4 is also a solution for
the equation above.
the equation above.
On the other hand,
On the other hand,
1, 4
1, 4
is not a solution of
is not a solution of
2x plus 3y is equals to 12
2x plus 3y is equals to 12
because
because
on putting
on putting
x is equals to 1
x is equals to 1
and
and
y is equals to 4,
y is equals to 4,
we get
we get
2x plus 3y is equals to 14,
2x plus 3y is equals to 14,
which is not 12.
which is not 12.
Note that
Note that
0, 4
0, 4
is a solution
is a solution
but not
but not
4, 0.
4, 0.
You have seen at least
You have seen at least
two solutions for 2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
two solutions for 2x plus 3y equals to 12.
That is
That is
3, 2
3, 2
and 0, 4.
and 0, 4.
Can you find
Can you find
any other solution?
any other solution?
Do you agree that
Do you agree that
6, 0 is another solution?
6, 0 is another solution?
Verify the same.
Verify the same.
In fact, we can get many solutions
We can get many solutions
in the following way.
in the following way.
Pick a value of your choice for x.
Of your choice for x.
Say x is equals to 2
Say x is equals to 2
in 2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
into 2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
Then the equation reduces to
Then the equation reduces to
4 plus 3y is equals to 12,
4 plus 3y is equals to 12,
which is
which is
a linear equation in one variable.
a linear equation in one variable.
On solving this,
On solving this,
you get y is equals to 8 by 3.
you get y is equals to 8 by 3.
So 2, comma 8 by 3 is
So 2 comma 8 by 3 is
another solution of
another solution of
2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
Similarly,
Similarly,
choosing x is equals to minus 5,
choosing x is equals to minus 5,
you find that
you find that
the equation becomes
the equation becomes
minus 10 plus 3y is equals to 12.
minus 10 plus 3y is equals to 12.
This gives
This gives
y is equals to 22 by 3.
y is equals to 22 by 3.
So minus 5, comma 22 by 3
So minus 5 comma 22 by 3
is another solution of
is another solution of
2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
2x plus 3y is equals to 12.
So
So
there is no end to different solutions
there is no end to different solutions
of a linear equation in two variables.
of a linear equation in two variables.
That is,
That is,
a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions.
a linear equation in two variables has infinite.
4.4 Summary.
Summary.
In this chapter,
In this chapter,
you have studied the following points.
you have studied the following points.
First,
First,
an equation of the form
an equation of the form
ax plus by plus c is equals to 0,
ax plus by plus c is equals to 0,
where a, b and c are
where a, b, and c are
real numbers
real numbers
such that
such that
a and b are
a and b are
not both 0
not both 0
is called
is called
a linear equation in two variables.
a linear equation in two variables.
Second,
Second,
a linear equation in two variables
a linear equation in two variables
has infinitely many solutions.
has infinitely many solutions.
Third,
Third,
every point on the graph
every point on the graph
of a linear equation in two variables
of a linear equation in two variables
is a solution of the linear equation. Moreover, every solution of the linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. Thank you.